So what is this interesting app which is called Kiwi Music with Friends? Let's go through it and understand why it's climbing in charts so fast. As you can see, today is like just below YouTube Music and Spotify in US App Store, which is pretty crazy, and I think it was in the top 100 apps already. So that's interesting. And the concept of this app is that it's similar to Be Real, just for music. So if you don't know, Be Real app is right now #1 app in the US App Store. This is like alternative to Instagram, and the whole idea of Be Real is that once a day you receive a notification and you have 2 minutes to post a photo with your front and back camera where you're located. And in this app, you once a day receive a notification and you need to send a song to your friends, just a song which you like. And you can sign in with Spotify or Apple Music. And then, send songs to friends at the same time. See new music sent to you throughout the day. So that's basically the idea. What are you listening to? At a random time each day, a notification will prompt you and your friends to share a song and a message all at the same time. You never know what the notification will say, so be ready. All of the songs your friends share show up on a widget for your iPhone home screen. Anonymously give and receive music ratings and see an average music rating score on your profile. So that's basically the idea. So let's just open the app. Here is how it looks like. You see received songs and you see my library. I already did another video about how to create an account. It's super straightforward. You just go in, create your account, and and then just sign in Spotify. And with recent update, you can also sign in with Apple Music. Then you can add friends. Here in top left, you can just tap to add friends. You can just search for any users and request friends. You can also tap here and in top right tap invite, and then you can invite users from there. So that's that. And then here in your library you have songs. Then you just tap on the song and then you can tap send to friends. So no friends yet, nobody added me yet. I'm just literally trying out this app. So you need to select the friend first. So feel free to add me. So here's my username, @Andre. So just add me, and we can have fun with each other. So here's how it looks like. Here's your profile. There are a few bugs here and there. It's hard to change profile picture. It's hard to edit your information and all of that, but that's what it is. Then there are settings. You can log out if you want. From here it's also easy to delete your account. Are you sure you want to do that? Just delete your account. And then here you also have music ratings. So when friends rate your songs, so when they receive your songs, they listen to it, they analyze, and they can just put rating here. So that's basically the idea. Like if friends are actually liking your songs. So from here you can also add friends as well. There is a button to do that. And another element of this app is that there is a widget. So here is how it looks like. This is like a Kiwi widget. So to add a widget, tap and hold, you will see apps jiggling, and then you just tap and add Kiwi, and there you have it. That's your Kiwi widget. You can see songs sent by your friends. So there you have it. There are only 2 widget sizes at the moment, and then I can just tap add widget, and there you have it. So now widget is added, and here you will see probably songs from your friends or just maybe songs you sent. I don't know yet, as I didn't add any friends yet in this widget. So that's what it is. And then yeah, so that's basically the app. That's the concept. You will see received songs here in one tab, and in my library you will send songs. So yeah, as you can see, there are 367 ratings. 4.7 out of 5 is an average rating. Ratings are pretty nice. Love the app. Apparently we can only send one song a day. Understand why there is link, but only one song is insane. You can at least make it 10 or something. Okay, so there are some issues. I'm not sure about that. Let us edit our profiles. Can't change any profile settings. Can't change my name. Widget won't show up. Okay, so seems there's still quite a few bugs here and there. Amazing app. Make available on the Google Play. Can't sign up. Once on the app doesn't work. It just sits with the Kiwi on the screen. I can't do anything. It's not possible to sign in with YouTube Music yet, so it's only Spotify or Apple Music. And then when you signed in, it's not possible to change that. So probably you will need to create a new account and re-log in with either Apple Music or Spotify. And it's not possible to disconnect this account. So it's very like basic version. Also, the thing is, I'm not sure it's available. It's not available on iPad, and I'm not sure it's available on Android as well. So it's like a beta version. Kiwi Music with Friends. It's not available on Android. So yeah, there you have it. That's the app, but it's definitely a really nice idea because Be Real is going really high in the app store. Like Instagram is implementing this notification Be Real feature, or like dual camera feature, and this is really cool concept. So why not to try out it with music, and just especially if you like music, and this app can be a really nice platform for you to discover new songs from your friends and do it regularly. So that's that. Overall, this is it. This is Kiwi Widget. There are a few bugs here and there, but overall great idea. And if you like hanging out with music and your friends like music, so definitely give a try to this app. Yeah, hope this is helpful. Like this video, share it with your friends, put the links to this video everywhere, subscribe to my YouTube channel, visit my blog and my TikTok, and see you in the next videos.